sakit ng tiyan, hilab, at pangangasim? Baka hyperacidity na yan. Hyperacidity? Target the acid with Kremel S tablet. Mag-Kremel S tab agad para ginhawa mula sa hyperacidity at sakit ng tiyan na kasama nito. Basta hyperacidity, mag-Kremel S tablet agad. Unilab yan. Aluminum hydroxide plus magnesium hydroxide plus simeticone is the generic name of Kremel S. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Si Papa, siya ang una kong superhero. Basic yan.
Siya ang laging nandyan para mag-alaga, magturo, at magprotekta. Basic yan.
Hindi madaling maging tatay. Pero para sa mga anak ko, gagawin ko ang lahat. Basic yan.
This Father's Day, bigyan natin ng pugay ang mga haligi ng tahanan. Mga tatay na nagbibigay, nag-aaruga, at nagiging huwaran araw-araw sa kanilang mga anak. Kabisyo, ang tatay mo, love namin yan. Happy Father's Day mula sa Love Radio. Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Love Radio. Music that makes you feel good. That makes you feel good. Love Radio.
11:47 ng umaga. Marami pang balita mula sa Visaya sa paaming pagbabalik.
Magbabalik ang Radyo Pilipinas News Nationwide.
This is a public service announcement.
Discipline is the key.
Umiwas sa aksidente sa daan. Ang pagmamaneho ay may kaakibat na responsibilidad. Hindi basta mapaandar lang ang sasakyan. Kilatisin ang sarili. Ang kahandaan sa manibela. Siguruhing inyong konsentrasyon ay hindi magagambala. Importante rin na ating laging isipin. Init ng ulo ay huwag pairalin. Bagkus, kaligtasan ng lahat ang siyang dapat unahin. Isang mahalagang paalala mula sa Presidential Broadcast Service at Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko, 738.
This is a public service announcement. Public service announcement
From PBS,
Presidential Broadcast Service
at Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko, 738.
Pagsaludo sa bandila ng Pilipinas. Simbolo ng kalayaan, kapayapaan at katapangan. Sumasagisag sa katatagan at pagkakaisa ng mga Pilipino bilang isang bansa. Pagpupugay sa ating watawat sa National Flag Day mula sa Presidential Broadcast Service at Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko.
Nagbabalik ang Radyo Pilipinas News Nationwide.
Alas 11:49 ng oras, nagbabalik ang mga balita.
The Philippines Original Light Rock Radio 96.3 W Rock. You're on Friday Classics, so we play back the good times and the memories. Here's a quote for you. Loving others and loving yourself are two parts of the same whole. Light for time, 12:58.
Have a sizzling day at Joni's. Joni's Sizzlers and Rolls. The best sizzling in town. Have a sizzling day at Joni's. Joni's Sizzlers and Rolls. For all occasions together. Have a sizzling day at Joni's.
Wow, come to this place.
The best flaming sizzling in town. Joni's Sizzlers and Rolls. Joni's na.
Celebrate bonding moments at Joni's with our flaming bundles like Belly Buster, Bulalo, Beef Kare-Kare, and the Roast Chicken. Available in SM City, Cebu, SM Consolacion, Ayala Center, Cebu, The Walk at IT Park, City Times Square, Insular Square, and Sense Danao. Visit the new look of Joni's Sizzlers and Roast in SM City, Cebu, Lower Ground, and at the 4th level of Ayala Center, Cebu.
Ready to savor the moment? At Belmont Hotel Mactan, indulge in flavors that elevate your Mactan experience. Begin your day at Belmont Cafe, open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Enjoy all-day dining with Filipino favorites and international delights, each dish thoughtfully crafted to satisfy every craving. Unwind at Float Pool Bar from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Your poolside retreat for refreshing drinks and light bites, perfect for relaxing or keeping the fun going. As evening sets in, head on to Zavana Bar and Lounge, open until midnight, where expertly crafted cocktails turn every drink into a celebration. Belmont Hotel Mactan, where every bite and sip create moments to remember. Savor the moment at Belmont Hotel Mactan. Book your stay today. For inquiries and reservations, call 032-520-4100 or message us on Facebook.
Sukang puti sa sukaan mo palami. Camel, sukang puti, ani ka na. Ang sikreto, sa lami.
Inihahatid ng PhilHealth ang mas pinalawak na primary healthcare package para sa lahat ng Pilipino. PhilHealth Konsulta. Magparehistro na sa pinakamalapit na konsulta provider para sa inyong health risk screening at konsultasyon. Maaari maka-avail ng mga gamot at laboratory test batay sa rekomendasyon ng primary care provider. Pumunta sa aming official website www.philhealth.gov.ph para sa mga detalye.
Konsulta ka na. The Philippines original Live Rock Radio 96.3 W Rock.
Good afternoon. It is now 1 o'clock. DYRK-FM is 96.3 W Rock, a member of the KBP. I'm Debbie. Let's begin another hour of less talk, more classic light rock with Paul Anka. On Friday Classics.
Your favorite hits next on Your Hits for All. This is All Hits 24. Looking for the best t-shirt and design printing that suits your needs? At BL Sophie Garments House of Printing, they accept a wide range of services to choose from for your printing needs. They accept subliminal printing for your team or activity shirts. 650 pesos per set for a full sublimation printing? Kaya! They also accept other services like tarpaulins, stickers, Anaflex printing, signages, and many more. For inquiries and orders, visit them at number 645 MacArthur Highway, Barangay Bunyo, Bukawi, Bulacan. You can call at 0915-411-9607 or 0921-416-2235 or message them on Facebook at BL Sophie Garments, House of Printing Merchandising Corporation. BL Sophie Garments is open 24/7 for any need on the go. Calling all the businesses, big or small, and to add agencies or advertisers. 2025 is already here. Make your brand shine and make it known to your potential customers now. Advertise on All Hits 24 today. Just one call, text, or email, and you are a stone away from positive results for your brand. Plus, earn incentives for you when you advertise with the Internet's Hits for All, and it's just a contact away. Start your 2025 growth. For inquiries and how to advertise now, call us at 0962-824-1263. Again, 0962-824-1263. You can also message us on our Facebook, Instagram, or X page at ALLHITZ24 or email us at allhits24@gmail.com. Make your 2025 the best for your brand. Make All Hits 24 your way to growth.
Listening to the radio, driving in your car. Radio gets results.
With Internet radio now surging in popularity, it's now the right time to make your product shine to your audience. So trust radio. It gets results. Broadcasting from Dumaguete City, Philippines. Streaming 24/7 online everywhere. This is your Internet's Hits for All. This is All Hits 24. A Dumaguete Media Production Station.
Afternoon companion, Radio Natin. Nationwide.
This song is brought to you by Champion, gawang peerless na 60 years ng tapat na walang katapat.
Tungod sa kapuraot sang pagpangabuhi subong,
Manong driver, kung bata, may plite?
Day, kung bata, wala, libre lang na day.
Di kung sabak, Binong.
Sabak? Ate, why man na bayad sabak mo?
Ate, sige Anak, pungko na sa baka ko.
Daw, perte.
You're always there when I need you, always there to see me through. You've never let me down, a friend who's always around. You've been with me through good and bad, through all the seasons in my life. You've picked me up, you made me glad. Through all the good times that I've ever had, my only radio for life. With you I never have to be alone. My only radio for life. You are the best friend that I've ever known. Things may change, love may come and go, but one thing that I know, you are my only radio for life.
Star FM. On the way na ang panibagong saya. Mega Panalo. Pandaming prizes. Register na sa megapanalo.com. Panood.
Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Game responsibly. Keep it fun.
On the way na ang panibagong saya. Mega Panalo. Pandaming kasiyahan. Pandaming prizes. Register na sa megapanalo.com. Panood.
Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Game responsibly. Keep it fun.
The stage is set. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling bagong 2025 NBA Champions? Oklahoma City Thunder versus Indiana Pacers. Parehas na gutom sa kampyonato at handang pagbakbakan para sa prestigyosong Larry O'Brien Championship Trophy. Ang Thunder na huling sumampa sa NBA Finals noong 2012 at ang Pacers na muling sasabak sa Finals 25 taon na ang nakakaraan. Abangan ang mga update ng NBA Finals Best of 7 series sa 32 fully digitalized Bombo Radio at Star FM stations in 25 key areas nationwide. Basta Radio Bombo!
On the way na ang panibagong saya. Mega Panalo. Pandaming kasiyahan. Pandaming prizes. Register na sa megapanalo.com. Panood.
Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Game responsibly. Keep it fun.
On the way na ang panibagong saya. Mega Panalo. Pandaming kasiyahan. Pandaming prizes. Register na sa megapanalo.com. Panood.
Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Game responsibly. Keep it fun.
Yesterday's hits today. Friday Madness.
With Sprite, kayang-kaya mo yan. Cool ka lang, steady ka lang muna mag-Sprite ka lang dyan.
Cool ka lang, mainit ang summer, refresh ka muna with Sprite.
Get your taste buds ready for the most flavorful event of the year. The 19th Manila Foods and Beverages Expo is back at the World Trade Center Metro Manila this June 11 to 15, 2025. Experience the latest F&B trends, enjoy live cooking demos, and catch thrilling culinary and beverage competitions all in one epic show. Mopbex Eats Here is organized by the leading event organizers in the country, Fulbex Services International, and for the benefit of ABS-CBN Foundation. Get your tickets now and visit mopbex.com for more details.
Anisama World, Japan's biggest anime music festival, is coming to Manila. June 7 at the Araneta Coliseum. Anisama World in Manila, featuring Flow, Ave Musica, Nobody Knows, Ash the Hero, Hiroshi Kitagaru, Toshi Abiyata, By the Rin, and Mayo Maishima, performing their iconic hits and more. Book your tickets now. Anisama World in Manila, presented by Will Bros Live.
Friday Madness combines the 80s and the 90s.
Friday Madness.
Friday Madness. Yesterday's hits today.
Alright, stop.
Friday Madness. They don't make music like they used to.
Everybody talk about pop music, for every situation.
Friday Madness. You're never too young to listen. Now playing on Magic 89.9.
Awangan ng iba pang mga balita sa pagbabalik ng TV Patrol.
TZMM, numero 1 sa aksyon.
Pag-ibig, sinabi ko naman sa'yo, ikaw lang sapat na para sa akin. Tagumpay.
Ang tagal nating pinagdasal to, Henry. Sa wakas binigay na sa atin.
At mga kwentong no filter, may kasama kang makikinig sa'yo.
Ako to, si Chang Ami.
Kasama si Chang Ami Perez mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 3 ng hapon sa DZMM at DZMM Teleradyo. Kontrobersya, ugong-ugong, ang tunay na pangyayari sa ating bansa. Dito mo matutuklasan. Hatid nina Christian Yosores at Victoria Tulad. Sabado at Linggo, alas 6 ng umaga sa DZMM. Mga nagbabagang balita, mga maiinit na issue at mga tanong ng bayan. Laban lahat yan ng DZMM Radio Patrol Teis 30. Balitang kumpirmado, sigurado. Sa DZMM Radio Patrol Teis 30.
Pag-ibig, sinabi ko naman sa'yo, ikaw lang sapat na para sa akin. Tagumpay.
Ang tagal nating pinagdasal to, Henry. Sa wakas binigay na sa atin.
At mga kwentong no filter, may kasama kang makikinig sa'yo.
Ako to, si Chang Ami.
Kasama si Chang Ami Perez mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 3 ng hapon sa DZMM at DZMM Teleradyo. Ang mga pinagkakatiwalaang pangalan sa radyo at telebisyon nasa DZMM Radio Patrol sa East 30 at DZMM Teleradyo. Ang nangungunang himpilan ng radyo sa kauna-unahang radyo sa telebisyon. DZMM Radio Patrol sa East 30 at DZMM Teleradyo. Mga nagbabagang balita, mga maiinit na issue at mga tanong ng bayan. Laban lahat yan ng DZMM Radio Patrol Teis 30. Balitang kumpirmado, sigurado. Sa DZMM Radio Patrol Teis 30. TV Patrol sa DZMM at DZMM Teleradyo. Tuloy-tuloy na ang reforma sa edukasyon.
Wish 107.5.
Wish time is 8:59.
Singing my sadness, singing my joys. You are my radio.
1075. This is Whispers of Love on Wish 1075.
This is RJ 100.3, broadcasting from Metro Manila, featuring the greatest and latest songs with treasured hits and up-to-date music, news, and information. 3 songs in a row, all the time, playing the greatest and the latest. You're listening to Virginia.
Pretty woman.
On RJ
100.3.
Check your time, it's 9:30.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na lumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon. All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality. Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Joseph, 5 years na akong Santon Plus Herbal Capsule user. Walang ibang gamot na nakapagpagaling sa aking cirrhosis of the liver, kundi Santon Plus Herbal Capsule lang. The best talaga.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Bibili sa mga butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Alam niyo ba na mas importante ang kalusugan para maiwasan ang mga sakit? Dapat epektibo na food supplement ang kailangan. Santon Plus Gold. Mas pinahusay, mas pinagaling, mas pinabisa dahil meron itong extracted na mangosteen, malunggay, ampalaya, garlic, spirulina. Kaya mas epektibo na makakatulong sa diabetes, maraming dugo, hypertension, pamamaga, bukol at iba pa. Santon Plus Gold. Para sa inyong reservation, tanong at order, tumawag o mag-text sa Santon Gold Hotline 0927-499-1276. Available na rin ang Santon Plus Gold sa Mercury Drug, Watson's Pharmacy, All Green Pharmacy at All Day RX, Generica Drug, Southstar Drug, TGP Pharmacy, gayon din sa Lazada at Shopee.
Mula sa number 1, Smart Dishwashing Base.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart Dishwashing Base ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Mato kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing face. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bacteria.
Bahit para walang mahiginis. Fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart Dishwashing Base.
Heavy duty linis, bawat pahid. Smart Dishwashing Base. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality. Fabric conditioner with Bloom Fresh technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit. Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3. Pagdating sa musika, balita at impormasyon,
774
iisa lang ang pinagkakatiwalaan ng buong nasyon.
774
DWWW 774. Your ultimate music radio. Just for tonight sa DWWW 774.
Well, 9:35 is our time. Here's Cotton, Lloyd, and Christian.